Well, an alley in Lubbock County causing quite the controversy after some residents in the area have petitioned to close it. Monday, residents, went before the county commissioner's court to plead their case, but the commissioners voted to keep the alley open. KLVK's Grace Morris spoke to one resident and the district's commissioner to see if the problem can be solved. Grace, did they come away with an agreement of any sort?
Terry, well, this alley is in a tricky sort of legislative gray area. It was dug 40 years ago, but no resident in the area owns the alley, and since it's not a public road, the county may not have authority over it either. Now, I spoke to one resident who said that the alley's poor drainage causes her property to flood and is desperate for a solution.
People speed up and down that alley, and it's an alley, but they treat it as a road.
Caitlin Curry waited 11 months for the commissioner's court to hear her petition to close the alley next to her house. But even after pleading her case, the commissioners voted against closing it.
Basically, the commissioner's court can close a county road if everyone is in agreement. Everyone in the community, everyone in the area is in agreement.
But according to Curry, the alley floods her driveway when it rains and is a danger, and she was disappointed by the commissioner's decision.
I didn't really think that we would get part of the alley closed, but I thought that they would give me some solution to my problem as far as the flooding was concerned.
While the county is responsible for maintaining roads and authorizing drainage, the alley falls into a different category.
It is somewhat of a gray area, but in an alley, it's not dedicated to the county for the county to maintain as a road.
And Commissioner McKay says they do not have authority over the alley.
I have compassion on the situation, but it's not something that Lubbock County can just go fix. But most of the time, we just don't have the legal authority to come and fix some of these issues.
But according to Curry, the commissioners have not provided another way to solve the problem, and the alley remains a safety hazard.
I'm not asking them to maintain it. I'm not asking them to spend any money on it. I've waited long enough and I've been patient long enough. I just need a solution.
But McKay hopes the neighborhood will be able to find a solution on their own.
Time can heal some issues, and I hope so. And I hope that over time that these folks can work together and be good neighbors.
Curry hopes that she and the county are able to find a solution soon so she can prevent further damage to her property and make sure no one gets hurt.